Hey everybody, it's time for another rockin' review. Hey, so I'm back again, and I wanted to talk about Chronic Beard Co. Such an awesome company. I think that one of the best, and it's definitely in my top 10 beard companies of all time. I've had Mike on my live stream several times now. I can't rave enough about this guy. Super good owner, super good company, and let's dive into it a little bit. So I won these. This is Shatterfly. I won this on a giveaway, and have been super stoked to be able to try this out. And then additionally, I got his fall scent because I liked it so much, and this is Salem Smoke. Certainly awesome products. One of the biggest things is because of its ingredients. Now, don't let Chronic Beard kind of like confuse you a little bit. This is not CBD or marijuana in it. It is actually hemp. Now, hemp, if you guys know, is one of my favorite, and hopefully a whole lot of you guys' favorite beard carrier oils, and absolutely one of the best feels in beard that I know of. Anything that has that component in it is absolutely amazing for skin and beard. So my buddy Joe, Bearded Life, had kind of turned me on to this company, and I was very ecstatic, and he was like, hey, you will love it. We're both kind of cologne guys, so I was like, oh, okay, I gotta try Shatterfly. Holy moly, awesome cologne scent. I smell it. It smells like a good citrus-based cologne. I kid you not, one of my favorites to have in beard. But the feel in beard is absolutely awesome as well. So that's what kind of gives it that wonderful combination. You can pick up a combo for $28.50 right now. I'm sure that there's other discounts out there. Probably Bearded Life has a code of some sort, so if you go check out him, he probably has something for Chronic Beard. But super, $28.50 for a oil and butter is absolutely reasonable, absolutely awesome. You can't beat that price, especially for the product you're getting.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I'm going to smell this. It smells very good. It smells like apples. I'm going to put it on my hands. I am going to rub it on in my hands. I'm going to rub it on my imaginary beard. I'm going to smell it. And it smells even more appley. It smells amazing. And then I got the Shatterfly cologne scent. And then I shall smell this. It is very cologne-y. There's like a different kick to it where it isn't full cologne, but you like get a hint of something else but cologne in it. It smells very good. I'll put it on my left hand or right hand. And then I will rub it in. Yeah, it smells very cologne-y. But it's like a different kick of cologne, so it's like you can smell the cologne, but then you can smell something else in it. It smells amazing. Goodbye!
Hey guys, why are you not on that webpage already? That's what I'm wondering right now. This is one of my final thoughts. Why are you not on that webpage ordering some Chronic Beard Co. right now? Get on that website, go check him out. He has some awesome scents. awesome creator and awesome company. We'll talk to you soon.